हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई बिलीव यू आर वेल एंड गुड एंड you are enjoying your days, right? So as you know, today is 15th of July and today we are going to see the fourth lesson plan of block 9, right? So I hope you have enjoyed the previous 3 lesson plan and there would be no doubt for you. If it is, you can still ask the question from those blocks, right? So are you ready to learn for today's block? Okay, so this is the teaching video of block 9, social studies block 9, lesson plan 4, and the name of this block is calendar. Let's move. So resources you need to keep before you sit for the studies, please note it down. Your content book, workbook volume 2, notebook, pencil, eraser and ruler or a scale. Okay, recap. Arranging events on timeline. So the previous lesson we could see how to arrange the events on timeline. So how we arrange events? First we draw a line, and second we divide those lines into 12 equal parts, right? Or 12 equal parts for the 12 months. So those 12 equal parts are the 12 months. And thirdly, we write the months in an order from January to December. Okay, after dividing the line, we write the months in an order from January to December. So जनवरी से दिसंबर तक लेकर के सारे महीनों के नाम नीचे लिखते हैं. Okay, after that, fourthly, we write the festival in front of the months in which they occur. Okay, so according to months we write the festival. Suppose होली कौन से महीने में आती है? So generally Holi comes in the month of March. So in front of March we write Holi. Makar Sankranti, in which month it comes? It comes in the month of Jan. So Jan के सामने यानी जनवरी के सामने हम मकर संक्रांति लिखेंगे. Like that we write the festival in front of the month in which they occur, right? I hope you have enjoyed. Now we are going to begin the next lesson plan. This is the aim for today's lesson plan. We are going to see the lesson plan 4, right? And the aim of this lesson plan is, so this is our aim. So at the end of this lesson plan, I believe you will be able to make a calendar based on given data. Will you? Yes, I believe. Okay, these are the keywords that you should know. Organize, remember, steps. Organize means to set in order. Okay, remember means to have somebody or something in your mind. Steps mean one action in a series of actions that you take in order to achieve something. That is known as steps. Next, so we are on block 9, lesson plan 4, and today's topic is making a calendar. Will you make the calendar now today? Yes, I hope you will make the calendar at the end of this lesson plan, or in between you will make. I will give you some exercise or activity to make the calendar. Okay, shall we move? Let's move. Oh, this is your content book. This is from your content book. The topic is this is our today's topic, making a calendar. If you have not read it, please read it now itself. Before you proceed in the videos, you just pause and read from your content book, making a calendar. This topic you have to read, then only you will be able to understand, right? Can you do it now? Yes, do it now. Pause the video and go and read. I hope you have read it. Now let's move. Okay, let me ask you the questions. Generally, I start with the questions, and today also I'm going to ask this question. Are you ready to answer this question? What are the different events you mark on calendar and why? Can you tell me? Yeah, we can mark seasons. What are the things we mark? We mark seasons, we mark festivals, we mark national school holidays, we mark special occasions and birthdays on a calendar. These are the things that we mark on the calendar. So this helps us to remember those events, right? Marking on the calendar help us to remember the particular events and also manage or organize our time better. In that way, we manage our time or we organize our time in a better way. That is why we mark these things on a calendar, right? I hope you have understood. Now, there is activity for you today. So we will learn about how to make a calendar and mark special events on it. So please get ready for that. I would like to say you please divide in a group, or if it is not possible to divide in a group, make a pair with somebody, either any of your parents or if your brother, if you have a brother and sister, so you can make a pair with them or make a group with them, right? After making a pair, what you have to do is you have to read the topic making a calendar from the content book. Did I show you now? That topic you have to read, making a calendar from the content book. After reading that, you have to make a calendar for the month given to your group. Or I'll show you. You have to make a calendar of October. This is the calendar of 2018. So this calendar you have to make the calendar of October. Your time starts now. I hope you have done it. So you have made the calendar. Let me ask you, how did you make the calendar? And what did you do first? And then what did you do then? After that, what did you do next? After that, what you have done? And finally, what you have done? What events did you mark on it? Okay. Remember this point. You must have taken a sheet. So first you have to take a sheet of white drawing paper, and after that you have to use a ruler to draw 7 vertical lines, right? How to draw 7 vertical lines? Like that, like that. Like that you have to draw 7 vertical lines. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After that, horizontal line, 5 horizontal lines you have to draw. Okay, here it's not possible, I'm just giving you example. You have to draw it like that. Okay, got it? This way you have to draw. And after drawing that, you have to write in the months. Okay, in that particular column you have to write the months, then write in the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 7 days of the week, upper side, as it is shown in the calendar. Okay, I'll show you. It's not here. I'll show you back. First you have to draw this line and horizontal line, and the vertical line, then horizontal line, and you have to write the week, the days of the week, and you have to fill the date accordingly, right? And after writing the days of the week, you have to fill the dates, and after that, lastly and finally, you have to mark the important dates, like, so what are the festival coming in that month, that you can mark it with the red color or green color, whatever. And if there is particular birthday in that month and somebody having birthday, you can mark in it, right? Or if there is any special, any other things you are planning to travel, that also you can mark. Okay, what are the things you are having, you can mark that day. I hope you have done it in this way. Now let me ask you again this question: what steps did you follow to make the calendar? Now again we are repeating that thing. So what are the steps that we are follow to make the calendar? Let me tell you. These are the steps. First, we took a sheet of white paper. After taking the sheets, we have to draw vertical columns, 7 vertical columns and 5 horizontal rows with the help of scale and pencil. Got it? So with the help of scale and pencil, we will draw the 7 vertical columns and 5 horizontal rows. After that, we write the names of the months, means which month's calendar you are making, January, October, September, February, whatever. And after writing the months, you have to write the days of the week, and then we have to fill the dates inside the column. Finally, you have to mark the important dates. Okay, please don't forget to mark the important dates. So उसी मंथ में क्या क्या important days आ रहा है, जो भी फेस्टिवल आ रहा है, सबको मार्क करेंगे आप. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. Shall we move to the next? Right. Here is a process. Take a white sheet paper, then ruler, and you can draw a line like this. I'll show you. First, this is white paper, and after that take a ruler here. After taking ruler, you have to draw a line like this. Okay, here it's made. After that you have to write the days. Here you can see, here it is writing the days with the blue per side: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. After writing the days, first you have to write the month here. After writing the month, you have to write the days, and then you have to fill the dates, right? And finally you have to mark. Here it's marking that particular days. It may be the any festival that day, or somebody have the birthday or anything, whatever else. He is marking here, right? I hope you have understood. Now let's move further. Next question. Next and last question. How do calendars help us? And what do we learn by reading a calendar? The use of calendars is talking about the use of calendar. How do calendar help us? Can you tell me? So calendar help us to organize the days, dates, months of the year, right? And it also help us to plan. So we may able to make our plans accordingly. It also help us to mark the dates or events Next, what do we learn from this? What do we learn by reading a calendar? We learn about the time and the passes of time. हम इसमें टाइम के विषय में सीखते हैं ना. We learn about the time and passes of time. Got it? We can also decorate our we can make a calendar for each month of the year in this way. So as you've seen how to make a calendar, in the same way you have to make the calendar other months also. And after making the calendar, so what are the use of that? So calendar help us to organize the dates and months of the year. And what do we learn by reading a calendar? We learn about the time and the passes of time. Got it? So this block is almost over here. Finally, so please, if you can understand in a better way, so let me ask you, are there any events or special days that you would like to remember? Or write any 2 ways in which you can use a calendar in your daily life. आप अपने डेली लाइफ में कैलेंडर को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, कैसे, ठीक है? So any 2 ways you have to write. I hope you have understood. Let's move to the next slide. This is the bonus question of the day. Which month comes after September? You have to write. Option will be given into the Schoolia link. This is your worksheet. You have to complete it. Write any 3 events that you would like to be marked on a calendar. Look at the picture and write the steps for making a calendar. Write 2 ways in which you think calendar is useful to us. Right? Next is, you have to read the topic, making a calendar, of block 9. You have to complete your worksheet, volume 2, block 9 S4. And after doing that, you have to answer the practice question of 7 and 8. Please write the answer in your notebook. And again, once again, I want to remind you, write in a good handwriting. Okay? So time is over now. Thank you. Once again, thank you. And God bless you. Okay? Take care. We will meet in the next video.